Today's Friday find is at Chain and Spoke. This is a brand new concept, new to the Des Moines area, located in this gorgeous, newly renovated building right off of Ingersoll. I'm here with the owner, Jeff, and he is going to talk more about what a cool concept this is.
Hey, I'm Jeff with Chain and Spoke. We are a new coffee shop and bike shop that's come to the Ingersoll area in Des Moines, Iowa. And let's take a tour of our space. In the front, we have a full retail coffee shop with some super high-end coffee. The drinks are delicious. I would definitely recommend our specialty drink, which is a cinnamon-infused maple syrup latte. On ice, it's super dangerous. We have cold brew, nitro, and straight cold brew, which are both also really good. And our espresso is really awesome. In the back, we have a full-service bike shop with sales and service. So if you need a tune-up and are local to the area, we're a great place to do that. But we also have a killer lineup of new bikes for sale, including Orbea and USA-made brands Allied Cycleworks out of Arkansas and Wild Bikes, who are located in Minnesota. So we're really excited to bring not only really high-end and really great production level of cycles to Des Moines, but also really put a focus on American-made stuff as well and the American manufacturing process.
I am ending my time here at Chain and Spoke with a maple cinnamon latte. It is truly amazing. This building is gorgeous. You've got to come check it out.